A great personality said that democracy is the form of government in which the rulers are elected by us. Not us, because we are not the citizen of our country. So hey everyone, this is Adarsh and today I'm going to talk about democracy in our country. So basically democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people, but only those people who are above the age of 18 have the right to vote, as they have the right to elect their representatives, and the representatives will choose the leaders. And currently time our Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. So for example, I will take an example to explain you more about the democracy, how democracy works in India. Like if there is a election hand in the class, like to choose these two chalks, and if there are few students will elect this chalk for writing here, and there will be some student who will elect this chalk for writing it. But I will choose that chalk which won the majority of the elections. But just those who choose the chalk which have won the majority will be whose their majority will be taken for writing here. So what you think about that? What would be happen with those who hadn't choose that chalk? Is there would be any discrimination for them? So basically there is another institution called our constitution. It is a very great constitution, and the laws of that constitution are picked from various parts of the country. So those people are not discriminated because they also enjoy that right, and the government, which is based on the majority of population, will also enjoy the same rights. It is they are equal before the constitution, which is the head of all the institution of a country. Like every citizen, if he or she is president or ordinary citizen, you can say a labor. So they will definitely enjoy the same rights of the constitution, and if their rights is being violated, they can call for the judge, and the judge will accept only those people who are true, and will, if the prime minister found guilty, then he will be punished. So our country basically is a political country, political state, and in which there are two bodies. First one is democratic body, and second one is our constitution. And this thing make our country republic, and this thing make our country a very great country in the world, which have whole democracy with a great population. And that's all for now. Thank you so much.